This is a quick instructional video on how to put together your new cat camp tent. Firstly, lay everything out, getting ready to insert the poles. You should have 8 poles. The poles go together in a 2-1-2 configuration. You'll find each pole labelled clearly. Now simply guide the poles through the outer loops, making sure the poles stay together as you loop them through. You'll notice a red loop at the top of the tent. Be sure to thread the pole through here also. Once you have looped the poles through the body of the tent, you now need to insert the pin on each corner into the poles. Once this is done, you'll have 2 pole segments remaining. Put these together and insert each end here and here. From there, simply put the weather shield over the tent and connect each corner. And there you have it, the perfect little hideaway just for your cat.